So we haven't been to Aldi's in quite some time, and we decided to go, and we found something interesting. They have mulled wine and Gluhwein. I can't pronounce it.
Gluwein, apple punch, and cherry, all mulled wines.
Yeah, I just thought that was kind of cool. I wanted to get one, but Derica said no.
I didn't say no.
You didn't say no? I thought you said no.
Short.
You said what?
I said make it short.
We're doing that. But wouldn't it be better
You're not
to...
even doing a short. You're doing a short video.
I don't make shorts. I do short videos. There's a difference. But I just thought that was really cool that they make mulled wine already in the bottle.
All right. Do you want all three or do you want just one?
I don't know. What is Gluwein?
Well, that's the traditional mulled wine, so that's probably what we should get.
Okay, maybe we should get that. Yes, this is really how we shop, like, all the time.
All right, so we are getting ready to taste the Gluwein. See,
I'm calling it Gluwein.
I know Jens is out there yelling at me. Ich spreche Deutsch. Derica, das ist nicht richtig. And I'm sorry, but it's been a long time since I've spoken German.
I speak English and badly, so I'm calling it Gluwein.
It's a U with an umlaut. I forget how that's pronounced.
It says heat and serve right on the bottle. It's 9%. And it says, in German, winter love, our mulled drinks are the perfect companion to any winter day. Simply heat a saucepan until warm and serve. So they don't even suggest anything else, like no lemon slice, no orange slice,
Just
no spices.
Eat it and drink it.
So we're gonna go heat it, and we're gonna drink it. Okay, it didn't really take long, but I didn't heat up all that much either.
So while you were waiting, I researched to make sure that my pronunciation wasn't completely horrible, and it was only a little bit horrible because I was doing the W rather than the V sound for the W. So it's Gluwein.
She also asked me if I wanted a ladle.
He just said he was going to pour.
And
Now,
she looked at me like I had 3 heads.
okay, if Derica poured, that would be in my lap, and it's hot liquid, and I don't want that. But Brian poured, so everything is A-okay.
Let me get rid of this. Be right back. It smells spicy.
Yeah, it smells lovely.
Got the ethanol right up my nose.
Right up your nose. All right.
That'll wake you up in the
deep
morning.
inhaled, didn't you? I
always do.
I did a...
See, when you heat something up like this, the vapors are stronger coming out. The ethanol is escaping.
I did just a little...
Notice we're not
Surface.
using tulip-shaped glasses for this.
Yeah. We
It actually smells really nice.
These are actually glass coffee mugs. I will put a link in the description below. And I selected these specifically because thermal shock is a thing, and our little delicate Glencairns might have gone crack due to the heated beverage. So I didn't want to risk it, thus the mugs.
On the smell, it's difficult for me because I keep getting so much ethanol coming up. But I definitely get a red wine with some spices in there. There's some cinnamon, some cardamom, I think nutmeg. On the flavor,
It tastes like mulled wine.
tastes like mulled wine.
Hey, Sarah, go to Aldi.
Yeah.
Buy all 3.
We should have got all 3.
We should have got all 3. I don't know why we
We might
didn't.
have to go back.
Yeah.
I don't know. Because
It's the cheater's mulled one. Okay, you can
we
totally,
hate buying stuff like this because we can make it.
but you can totally get wine.
But I didn't know
and
what
then
Gluwein was.
Do the spice pack and cook it together, and then you got this. But you have to strain the spices out or pick the spices out.
I
or
think we
whatever.
might have to do a video on mulled wine.
We have.
I think we're going to have to do another one.
We have to do another one. Okay.
Got to make a new one.
We've done it
new
before.
version.
Yes. So it is a thing, and
This is nice.
Gluwein just is mulled wine. That's all it is. It's just the German word for spiced or mulled wine.
I like the fact that it's a little lower ABV, and heating it is going to make it even less.
Yes.
It's kind of like a hot toddy, almost.
Yes, which are awesome.
Yeah,
By the
kind of
way.
comes across that way. Yeah, I mean, I could just see, putting this in a mug, sitting by the fire.
If it was really cold, this would be fantastic.
But we're in Florida.
We're in Florida.
I mean, it was like 68 degrees this morning.
Yeah, but now I'm sweating.
Now it's like 82
I'm
out.
uncomfortable already.
We have the AC on. still.
I'll put my hair up.
But overall, I think this is great. I don't even know how much it was. Did you take note? It was like
It was
$5 or something.
$5 something, so $6.
It's probably in the video, like you can even see it. It's $5 or $6. Honestly, not bad.
Yeah.
For that kind of price, I would totally do it. I think some of the other ones, the apple and the cherry was cheaper even. $5.49 or something.
I thought they were all the same price range.
Oh, then they were all like $5.49.
Yeah, it was all the
That
same
seems to
company.
stick out.
Winterliebe. So, Winterliebe, sehr gut. Danke.
As always, guys, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.
Bye-bye.